Is that better right there? We just see the defendant and his attorney. Are they frozen? All right, there we go. They're a little bit frozen, if you will. Okay, are we live and direct here? Hey, what up, baby girl? What's the website? It's at Collect Call From on YT, if you will. What test?
I also have charges from yesterday, looks like, for domestic violence, criminal damage, domestic violence, disorderly conduct.
Damn! Oh, yeah. Good call on that one, Carson.
Domestic violence.
Damn.
Threatening over a telephone.
I never threatened nobody.
Okay, that's fine.
Never have I ever threatened nobody.
Okay, I'll fix it for you right now. Hold on, I gotta turn on my my handy dandy headphones over here. Let me see here. I'm late. Am I late? No, I just got on right now. What up, Josh? Hey, Josh, thank you. Appreciate. Damn, Josh, you're making it rain. One of everything. Thank you, Josh. Highly appreciate you. Gifts are not required, but highly appreciated, if you will. Let me see here. I gotta build this thing for my daughter right now. She just came in. She's like, "Here, build this thing for me." She's like, "I can't build it." So, guess who's gonna build this thing right now? It is gonna be I. This judge is she's kind of on the slow. She's on the slow boat, on the slow train, if you will. Let me see one. Let me see. Do I got the square?
I'm going to appoint the City Public Defender's Office to represent you on these charges.
Domestic violence, Alexis. That's why he got a one. He got a drop one, flush one. It's no bueno. Well, you can't be beating on your lady, man. If you're beating on your lady, who's gonna cook? You know what I was saying? This fool got the game all messed up. Who's gonna clean? What, James? How dare you? These people that he obviously didn't fully think this out right here. He did not think this out clearly, obviously. He doesn't look like the cooking type. What do you guys think? Do you guys think he's a cooker? I mean, and I'm not talking about methane. I'm talking about like a real cook. Like he could, like, I'm not talking about boiling water or a couple noodles. I'm talking about like a real, like a 3-course meal here. Hey, Carson, you need the corner now, James. Yeah. Don't let my wife hear me saying that. It's going to be all bad for me. It's going to be no bueno. Absolutely no bueno.
No alcohol, illegal drugs, no acts of domestic violence, no firearms or weapons.
Hey, what's up, 805?
No contact with Maya Durazo.
Maybe
you don't go back to her residence. Do you understand that?
Where do I go, bro? I stay there.
Not anymore,
you know,
homeboy.
like I stay there.
That
Not anymore. Where do I go? You can go back there once with law enforcement to get your personal belongings. City Public Defender's Office is appointed to represent you. You need to comply with behavioral health evaluation and treatment. Do you understand that?
Yes, I understand, miss, but I don't have nothing wrong with me.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Gonzalez.
Up next on The Price is Wrong. Come on, you fool. Come on, man. Now he's all of a sudden he was beating on his lady. Now he's worried about where he's gonna stay now. It wasn't a concern when he was putting his hands on her. The public pretender's laughing. That was laughing. I was smiling from ear to ear. Like, look at this idiot. He should have just hushed it. Hey, what up, Mama Bear? How's it going? He will be right back there tonight, right? Probably doesn't even have a job. Did she let him out? Oh, what's up? What's up, Johnny? How's it going? Let me see who else. What's up, Oregon? And who else here? Who else is here? Johnny. Maybe he should have thought about that before he. Yeah, that's right. Come on, man. You gotta treat your ladies way better. Can't be putting hands on them. No. Hey, thank you for that. Thank you for that daily heart. Highly appreciate that, Mama. Like that's not cool. Putting your hands on a woman or a man if you're a guy, because I'm sure those type of things will happen in those type of relationships too. Not. Nobody deserves that. Or most of the time, if you will. Let me see here. He said, Your Honor, I have no place to go. You heard that, Carson? This vato. Where you at? Where you at? Savannah, Georgia here. That's right. Savannah up in the house. Savannah. Hey, Alexis is laughing. Triple A, thank you for that daily. I highly appreciate that. And for those of you that is your first time here, I am James. Collect call James, if you will. And this court is live. It's actually happening in real time right now. This is going to be Pima County. And I don't know if it's something in the water. I don't know if it's something in the air. I don't know if the government is doing some type of test here in this location. But for some odd reason, there seems to be a lot of DVs, domestic violence. Hey, thank you, Mama, for that. There's a lot of shoplifting from Circle K, Target, and Walmart, and not in that order. There's a lot of DUIs, extreme DUIs, and aggravated DUIs. Is this live? Let me see. This judge, yeah, she's kind of
multiple
on the slow
defendants
boat.
in the courtroom or not yet?
Hey, this one looks like Chris
We
Jenner.
have about 4, Judge. Is this everyone? This is the rest of them. This is the rest of them? Oh, yeah. Yes, Judge.
This guy looks like Chris Jenner, right?
This is Chris Jenner. Everyone who's in the
What up,
courtroom at
Pizza?
this time. Good evening. I'm Judge Shayette. This is the time set for initial appearances.
Jaded.
If you have misdemeanor matters, it may also be arraignments on those matters. It's the time for you to be formally advised of charges against you for me to set condition of release in your next court date. It is not the time to talk about facts of cases
No, it's the
or
perfect
ask
time to
that
talk about
charges
it.
be dismissed. Conditions of release will always include that you violate no laws, that you appear at all court dates. Any of your matters are class 1 misdemeanors. It will also include that you remain within the state of Arizona.
Dad, is that you?
Unless you receive permission of the court to leave the
Caitlyn Jenner.
state.
Oh, that's
The
Caitlyn.
case on all felonies as well as any class 1 misdemeanors.
What was his name before?
There may be
Was it
additional
Chris? Was his
conditions
name
based
Chris?
on your history,
Or was that no? That's
your
the wife, right?
circumstances, and the events.
What was his name
that
before he
occurred.
changed? What was his name? Bruce.
And you,
Yeah,
sir,
that's what I meant to say. I meant to say Bruce.
John Richard Chagnon, Your Honor.
Mr. Chagnon, I have name and complaint here charging you with possession of dangerous drugs and possession of
I don't
paraphernalia.
know about Florida. What up, Cody?
We'll appoint the public defender's office to represent you on these charges. It appears that you may be qualified
Hey, thank you guys.
after an
Brittany.
assessment to
He's definitely
enter
he's definitely on
into a
something.
diversionary program. Basically, it's called STEPS. That's where you'll undergo screening and evaluation, participate in a term of treatment for a period of time. If you successfully
Of course,
complete
Mama.
that, then the charges will be dismissed without any formal charges.
Gracias a ti.
Did
Aquí
you
está.
want to look into doing that
Oh, sorry.
program?
There you go.
Unequivocally, absolutely, Your Honor. Yes, ma'am.
What do you guys think this guy's on? Do you guys think he's on methany? He's not on that chronic for sure. Let me see. He also looks
Very
like
much so.
Mike Damon from Fast Times, but Bruce Jenner is dead. Dead
And did
on.
either
I'll
counsel
have to
wish
look
to be
that one
heard
up,
further on
Johnny.
conditions?
I'm not sure who that is. Let me see.
No, Your Honor.
Yes, please, Judge. I understand the state's asking for a $1,000 bond, but
Mike.
it seems to me like the court is inclined to release Mr. Chagnon. The last conviction seems to be from 1985.
Oh, damn, it
I
does look
understand
like
he
him.
has a city court
That's a dead
warrant,
ringer.
but given a lack of felony
Now-
history from the recent past,
I gotta put this up
I
on the
would
screen.
request, and eligibility to be screened for the STEPS program, I would request the court to consider release to pre-trial services at this time.
All right.
Thank you.
Your next court date is going to be on October the 20th at 9 a.m. That's next Monday in Pima County Superior Court.
gotta put
That's
his
the
picture
initial
up on the
steps
screen.
hearing.
Hold
Be sure
on.
that you attend that you comply with steps. In addition to their substance abuse evaluation and treatment, you need to do a behavioral health assessment and treatment. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
No alcohol, illegal drugs. No contact with alleged victims. You don't return within the vicinity of I-10 and Miracle Mile other than if you're on the roadway.
You don't like it?
Your preliminary hearing date will be November the 25th at 1:30, and you're going to be released to the third-party custody
There you
pretrial
go.
services. You need to
Okay.
stay in touch with them and comply with them.
Huh?
Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we also have, as your attorney, as the public defender there mentioned, a warrant out of Tucson City Court. Looks like you signed up for diversion at some point, didn't appear at hearing, and didn't complete the diversion.
It's impossible.
It's impossible. It's very possible, sir.
Today, the water goes away.
All of a
Okay.
sudden. Hey, does it look like him? Does it look like this guy right here?
These cases go back to last September.
Does
Looks
that
like
look
you
like
were in
him or
court
not?
on October 2nd of last year. Entered into a diversion agreement, but never
You guys tell me.
enrolled, did the classes, paid the fees,
It does. Oh man, let me see. Right there. That's a dead ringer right there.
and then didn't appear at court date.
Oh, you guys can't see. You guys are they're over here. I got them. I'll show you guys really quick. All right. Don't close your eyes. Look. Does that look like him or not? You guys tell me. Is that him? Look, this guy. Does he look like Mike or not? Is that Mike or not? Mike right there. Where the hell did I? Right there.
So your
Is
next
that
court
him?
is going to be November the 10th at
Hey, thank
9:30
you,
in
Johnny.
the
That
morning.
was a good laugh.
Your attorney does not represent you on these charges.
Case star writes, not. Mike is his new name. OMG, you could meme that.
Right.
Ay, ay, ay.
So if your attorney says you don't need to come to court, you still need to be in city court on November the 10th. Thank you, Mr. Chagnon.
Hey, when you guys see people that resemble these people, you guys gotta let me know. Let me see. Did somebody say skin? Did somebody say skin flute? Jailbird Mike. That meme would go viral without a doubt. Oh, identical. Wow. Ay, ay, ay. There we go. You understand everything the judge says, Mike. Mike, evening, everyone. What up? What up, Smoggy Lantern? How was your Thanksgiving, if you will? Be good, boy, Mike. All right, who do we got? Let me turn this off right here since we got a new. Damn, what's up with this guy's face? There we go. One meal down, another one tomorrow. That's right. Hey, thank you, Mama. Thank you, highly appreciate. Damn, you're straight making it rain pumpkins. Thank you, highly
Good
appreciate
evening,
that,
I'm
Mama.
Judge Shade, and you, sir,
Rodney Davis.
Mr. Davis, in a complaint charging you with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon.
I don't think it looks like he might have lost that deadly weapon, and they might have used it on him. He looks a bit roughed up, if you will. Kind of like Quasimodo. The makeup is off today. You see, 3 hots and a cod for Mr. Mike, if you will. Can we mute you? Of course not. You can't. Triple aces.
Did either counsel wish to be heard further on conditions?
Looks like the weapon was needed. Let me see. You had to drop the pumpkins.
Yes, Your Honor. From the defense, we would just. I'm not stating the obvious. I know the court has reviewed the report, given a complete lack of history. We are asking for release, Your Honor. Looks like your trial was able to talk to a friend.
Looks like a weapon.
Obviously, we have no objection to any no contact order with the victim at this time. Thank you.
Hey.
Anything further from the state?
Your
What
Honor,
up?
I
What
will
up,
note the
Kate?
nature of the offense, the information that the defendant provided to law enforcement, and that was later
What up, Maui?
reviewed via the surveillance footage. The defendant does pose a risk to the victim. The $10,000 with pretrial service, the state believes is appropriate.
He ran into a deadly weapon, or his face ran into a deadly weapon, or he pulled out a deadly weapon and then it was used against him on his face. And you know what? This public pretender here, he just seems a little bit way too
Preliminary hearing
happy.
date is going to be October 31st at 1:30 in the afternoon.
This guy,
You're going to be released to the third-party custody of pretrial services under certain conditions. No
Right.
alcohol or illegal drugs, no firearms or weapons. That includes knives.
the public pretender right there, that guy gives
Participate
me
in substance abuse and behavioral health assessment and treatment.
public pretender.
No contact with alleged victims. You don't go to the victim's residence or workplace. You don't return to the incident location except for medical treatment. Do you understand that?
Yes, so basically I'm kicked out of the shelter, so I can't return to where my place of living is.
If that's where the victim was, that's correct.
Damn.
Stop by the transition
Dodger.
center.
Yeah.
Thank you.
An area called the Transition Center right outside the jail. They can help you with getting hooked up with an agency, housing, and other things.
Maybe
Go
we
straight
would
down
look
to
alike if he had
Walmart
one
and
of
get fucking-
these,
Thank you, Mr. Davis.
but he doesn't.
Thank-
All right, guys. Right now we're gonna be swapping over to Maricopa County. Let me. Maricopa's about to start in a minute. All right, there we go. Let me fix up all these screens right here. Let me see right here. Oh, where do I gotta turn this off? Judge and okay, that one's kind of fixed right now. Let me fix the other screen here. All right. All rise. All right, this is going to be the 8 p.m. Maricopa County, if you will. James, I can't see nothing. I can't see. Don't trip. I got to fix the screen up right now. Hold up. Hold your horses. Hold your horses. All right, there we got that. Adjust the screen really quick. All right, cool. You guys should be able to see better. Did somebody just page me? Hey, what up, Kim? And let me fix YT really quick. I think that'll do, right? Yeah. All right. Oh, no, then I gotta remove the top there. All right, there we go. All right, cool. We're all set now. Let me see, right? Let me see. What's up, Nico? How's it going? Hey, what's up, Dizzy? Is the state there? I'm not sure. You know what? What is the state there? No sé. I guess we'll find out soon enough. Okay, Aaron, thank you for that daily heart. Highly appreciate that. Siwa, thank you for sending that brother for sure. And like I said, anybody wants to get notified whenever I go live on TT, just send me a message, send me a DM, let me know that you guys want a Discord link, and I'll provide you with a good Discord link. Did somebody say 5-5? And with you signing up for the Discord link, what will happen is anytime I go live on TikTok, it'll send you a notification. Can't wait to see how many people were arrested and how many are. Damn, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be quite a few. Quite a few.
All right.
All rise. And actually, I don't think I see it. This is gonna be Mama Bear. This
Good
is gonna
evening.
be
You may be seated.
Maricopa Court in Arizona. Let me zoom in a little bit here.
All right. Good evening. My name is Commissioner Elizabeth Campbell, and this is the 8 p.m. initial appearance calendar for Saturday, October 11, 2025. The court's orders for the taking of DNA and fingerprints that were given on the first calendar of this month shall apply to all matters on
Started
this
watching
calendar.
your content, but
Persons appearing before this court are
If you
reminded
will,
that they have the right to remain
damn.
silent and that anything they say could be used against them. Most of you have qualified for a court-appointed attorney. If you have not qualified for a court-appointed attorney, or even if you have, you may retain an attorney at your own expense to represent you. I will be calling you up individually. When your name is called, please proceed to the podium. At the conclusion of your matter, officers will have paperwork for you. That paperwork will contain my complete orders in your case. It will
Madison,
also
thank you for the
contain
follow.
the
Highly
dates,
appreciate you.
times, and locations
Dizzy,
of
thank
your
you for
future
that.
hearings.
Arrow up.
All right, we're going to start this evening with Clement Palaka, please.
Did she say Kermit? No, she
And
didn't say
then
Kermit. She couldn't have
Michael
said
Warren.
Kermit. Nobody would name their child Kermit. Lisa, thank you for sharing the live. Highly appreciate you. Let's get up to 10,000 tabs. We got at 8.5.
Good evening, sir. Go ahead, state your name, please.
Clement Castle Palaka,
And Mr. Palaka, what is your date of birth?
6/29/1989.
All right, sir, you are here this evening because you were arrested earlier today on charges of aggravated assault, a Class 5 felony. I did find probable cause for that. I am appointing you an attorney. I am setting a hearing on October 16th at 8:30 and October
Robbie, I'll send you a
20th
link.
at 8:30, both in the
It's at
downtown
Peleco from.
Maricopa County
Thank you for
Superior
that, Daily
Court.
Hart.
I'm also setting a secured appearance bond in your matter in the amount of
Naomi, thank you.
$35,000. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, you would be subject to certain release conditions, including electronic monitoring and drug and alcohol testing.
Sharissa, thank you.
You are not to return to the scene of the alleged crime or have any contact with any alleged victim. You are not to possess any weapons, no drugs without a valid prescription, or consume any alcohol. You would also need to obey any terms of any order of protection that is issued or may be issued. Now, as I read the Form 4 in this matter, you don't live at the place where at the house where the alleged crime occurred. Is that correct?
I do live there.
You do live there. Okay. And give me just a second.
At Kaleka from YT.
So we're going to need to update that in just a moment.
Jimmy Tootie, yeah, that fool ain't going nowhere. Hey, Easton, let me see. Here's the story about the two.
All right. In view of the fact that you live there, I am putting in an additional provision into the order that states you may not reside at the same location as any alleged victim or go to the alleged victim's residence. That's true even if you are an owner or renter of the residence. If you presently reside with any alleged victim, you must find an alternative residence. You can arrange for one civil standby with law enforcement to collect any essential belongings. All right, we do need to update that order, but we should be able to reprint it for you. So you want to go ahead, step to the left, officers will have the paperwork for you.
Step to the left.
Michael Warren, please, and then Alexis Sanders.
Alexis Sanders.
All right, sir, go ahead, state your name, please.
Michael J. Warren Jr.,
And Mr. Warren, what is your date of birth?
January 8th, 1986.
All right, sir, you are here this evening because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued warrants for your arrest based upon allegations that you violated your probations in your cases CR 2024-116093 and CR 2024-122053. In each of those cases, I am appointing you an attorney, and in each of those cases, I am setting hearings
Samantha,
on October 17th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In your case ending 0930, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $1,000. In your case ending 2053, I am also setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $1,000. In the event you are able to post your bonds and secure your release, I am reminding you that you are on intensive probation services, so you would need to contact your probation officer within 24 hours. All right, go ahead, step to the left, officer has your paperwork. Alexis Sanders, please.
Oh, Alexis. You're in, Alexis. What you do, man? Come on, Alexis. You should have known better. Damn it, Alexis. What you do? Damn, I imagine you
Sanders,
looking
go ahead,
different.
state your name, please.
Alexis Sanders.
What up, Nicole?
And Ms. Sanders, what is your date of birth?
July 20th, 1996.
All right, ma'am, you are here this evening because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued warrants for your arrest. Has issued 2 warrants for your arrest. We're going to go ahead and talk about your probation case first, and then we'll talk about your other case. Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest based upon allegations that you violated your probation in your case CR 2024-144007. Hold on just a second for me.
Take your time, Your Honor. Take your time. Is this the 8 p.m. court? You already know, raging. You already know
In
it's
that
gonna be
matter,
the 8
I
p.m.
am
court.
appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings on October 17th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In your probation case, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $100. Now, you are also
That's
here
it?
because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a second warrant for your arrest. This one is in a direct complaint matter. That direct complaint alleges that on or about October 3rd of 2024, you possessed or used narcotic drugs, a class 4 felony.
Thank you,
and that
Mama
on
Bear.
or about October 3rd of 2024, you possessed or used drug paraphernalia, a class 6 felony. In that matter, I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings on October 16th at 8:30 and October 20th at 8:30. Both of those are in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In your direct complaint matter, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $500. In the event you are
Jaden,
able
thank you
to
for the follow.
post your bonds and secure your release, I am reminding you, because you are on probation, you would need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours. All right, go ahead, step to the left. Officers have your paperwork for you, okay?
You're so creepy. You were just standing there looking at me.
All right, we have 2 house calls this evening. Our first house call is Jamal Reed.
House call?
Mr. Reed's date of birth is August 10th, 1996. Mr. Reed was arrested early today on charges of robbery, a class 4 felony, obstruction, refusing to give true name, class 2 misdemeanor. I did find probable cause for both of those. I am appointing him an attorney. In Mr. Reed's case, I am setting 3 hearings. The first on October 16th at 8:30. Next one on October 20th at 8:30, and the last one on October 20th at 1:30 p.m. All of those hearings are in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. Because Mr. Reed was on release in his case CR 25138241 on the date of offense for his new charges, I am holding him non-bondable in his new case. Our next house call is Manuel Estrada. Mr. Estrada's date of birth is March 8th, 1988. Mr. Estrada is here because he was arrested earlier today on charges of theft of a means of transportation, a class 3 felony, and leaving the scene of an accident, a class 1 misdemeanor. I did find probable cause for both of those. I am appointing him an attorney. I am setting hearings on October 16th at 8:30 and October 20th at 8:30, both in the downtown, both in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In Mr. Estrada's matter,
Should we go put some
I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $20,000.
Oh, we got that.
All right, and if anything changes after I talk to Mr. Estrada or Mr. Reed in jail, I will update my written orders in those cases. And that brings us to the end of our 8 p.m. initial appearance calendar, and we are going to stand adjourned until 11, and we are off the record.
11? Hold on, guys, don't go. I think I'm gonna check if Pima County is still going on. Let me see here. Let me zoom out really quick. All right. Pima County is still going on, so we're back at Pima. Oh, who's this Baldy Lex? I don't like his glasses. I do not like his glasses. Highly suspect. And this court is also live. This is Pima County, Arizona. This court starts at 7. Damn, it's been going on for an hour already. See, let's get this fool right here. Bam, right there. Get that fool on Front Street, and let me fix this screen here really quick. There we go.
Then we have charges, it looks like, from February the 18th for criminal trespass in the city of Delano and Fort Lowell.
He kind of looks like Lex Luthor or Powder. What do you guys think he looks like?
It's not. That's why you have a warrant. The case is still going. It's not dismissed.
And again, you did not appear on March the 19th. After I released you, you were then in custody.
He's
again,
a spicy
it looks
one.
like on May the 7th.
Jamie's
In
guilty.
the court date of June the 9th, and didn't appear on that date.
When you get released, you have to be
Oh, I know that, but I've been going to court, and all this stuff was dismissed just recently.
It wasn't dismissed.
But it was. I have to.
But it
Tucson
was.
City Court, you have not been coming to Tucson
Oh.
City Court.
Well, I was in court just like 2 weeks
You
ago.
weren't in city court.
Oh, not in
That's
court,
what the
no,
judge is
okay.
telling you.
Okay, I got confused, and I'm sorry.
You need to be in City Court, 103 East Alameda.
Okay.
Your
Okay.
Honor,
I promise I won't.
I was
Make that mistake.
mistaken, Your Honor. I was mistaken.
I won't be there.
I'll
Your
be
next
there.
court date on these will be November the 12th at 2:30 in the afternoon. Again, you need to comply with steps. You also need to do behavioral health and substance abuse assessment and treatment that I ordered months ago that you still have not done. You need to do them.
Damn, she
You
told
understand
them.
that?
She told them
I'll
months ago.
still get on that first thing. I promise.
Yeah,
Tomorrow.
Transition
Promise.
Center might be able to help you find a location to do that.
I banged into your streams by accident, and now I can't stop watching. That's right, raging. See, Mama? All right. I'm building Legos and watching court at the same time and streaming.
No, liar. I'm building Legos.
What-
I just need your help.
I'm building them. You're not building them. You're giving me this damn instruction book right here, and I'm building this. What? I don't even know. I'm building a puppy over here. Building a puppy.
Stop.
Let me see.
Look what I did.
What did you do? See, she got me building this puppy over here. I don't even know what I'm doing. She called you. She called you out. She's not building this thing. She has me building this thing. Let's see right here. Good thing this judge is slow that it gives me time to break in between. Let me see here. Yeah. Oh, that's coming out good. Show them your
Do
little.
not listen to him. I'm actually building it. I just need some help.
Talk right here.
Thank you. Yeah, you bet. Just make sure to go.
You're not gonna look at the screen, James.
You're gonna break my thing.
Sorry.
I don't think this does this tongue go right here. I don't think this tongue goes. No, it doesn't.
Oh, you were saying me to put it there.
Are you sure?
Okay, fine. You can just take it out.
I think this. Where did you get this black piece from?
You're saying, huh? Look.
Oh, okay, yeah, it does show that right there.
Good evening, I'm Judge Hayden. You, sir, are
Fabio Reynolds.
Bless you.
Did he say Fabio? Thank you. Gracias a ti.
Mr. Reynolds. I've got a couple things to pray. An interim complaint charging you with possession of dangerous drugs, possession of narcotics, possession of paraphernalia, and being in possession of a firearm.
Oh, that fool
During a
looks like
drug
we're
offense.
related.
Will appoint public defender's office to represent you on these charges.
Bro, your twin.
Did either counsel wish to be heard further on?
This is my twin, you said?
Yeah, that's your turn.
Yes, Judge. The last conviction is from 98. I think the court's not seeing a misconduct. There is a misconduct involving weapons charge. We understand. But Judge, given the age of that last conviction, and given that this is a substance abuse issue at its core, we are asking you to consider releasing Mr. Reynolds to pretrial services supervision. Seems to have stable housing, and your sister is not the victim. I believe that his sister is not the victim, Judge. I want to double check that though.
Correct.
Okay. So, given that there is evidence of him having some stable housing and probably he receives disability, it says he's disabled, but doesn't say more. So, in light of all of that, Judge, we are asking for pretrial services ratings. Thank you.
Papa, I don't know how to put this on.
I'll fix it right now.
Okay, let me just put a video for now. I don't know.
Anything further from the state?
Here, just take off the tongue.
No. The tongue goes there.
So, Your Honor, nothing further.
Yeah, the sister's address, I can't figure out where that could possibly
You
be.
saw the tongue?
Yeah.
Goes there?
There is no North 16th Street in Pima County.
Where does she live? Where does your sister live?
Oh, which one?
Which one?
Sister.
You have 5 sisters. Okay. This one I think is just says Rebecca. Rebecca.
Yeah.
Like roughly where does she live in town?
She lives by River Road. I don't know her address.
Exactly.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. But basically like north side.
Yes, but I live up there full time.
In 3 points, 3 points you have it. And you don't live with the victim? No. Okay. All right. That's
James.
Your Honor, I don't know if the court heard, but Mr. Reynolds seems to have his own residence. And in 3 points, he informs me, and he's confirmed he does not live with the alleged victim in the DV case.
Did he say DV? Hold up. We got something for those DV cases, if you will.
Because of the
Why?
weapon involved in this matter and the history, bond is $2,500 for immediate October 21st. No alcohol, no drugs, no firearms or weapons. Behavioral health and substance abuse assessment and treatment is available in custody or under the direction of pretrial services if you post the bond.
What up,
No
Dan?
contact with the alleged victim in the misdemeanor domestic violence matter.
Domestic violence. Domestic violence strikes again.
Will appoint city public defender's
Youngs,
office
thank
to
you.
represent you on the domestic violence assault charge from April the 15th.
Look at this fool has his head down. Come on, guy. At 5 p.m. there was 2 in for Red Run Maricopa. I'll go ahead and check it out. Thank you for that. Okay. Let me see. David, hey, what's up, David? Let me see. He has that compa stash. Did somebody say stash? This is Pima County, Arizona, Tucson, if you will. How is he watching the video when he's in the video? What the what? Hey, what up, Cha-Cha? Let me see. He's for sure is a user. .com. Is that you, right, Brandon? Hey, hopefully not. I would hate to be in
Your
in
bond on
jail
the misdemeanor matter is
at that age.
$750. Court date's October the 22nd at 1:30 in the afternoon, in custody or out of custody.
There
No
we
contact with Guadalupe Pena.
go.
You don't go near her residence.
Peña.
No alcohol, illegal drugs. No acts of domestic violence.
Hot mess.
And no weapons.
James mail him some combs
as well as
to
the
it.
behavioral health and substance abuse assessment.
He don't
fee.
deserve one of these combs. He's putting his hands on his old lady. I got something else I'll send him. But I think it might be a federal offense. Might have to look into it. Warm up my tortillas. Pasas. It's crazy,
Thank
man.
you, Mr. Reynolds.
Reynolds.
Let's get Ajo.
Mr.
So
Reynolds
they're
be
not
getting
on
all
that.
the Latinas
Oh,
with,
Jill, checking
with that
Your Honor.
female brocha.
Okay, great.
Mr. Reynolds. All right, let's see who's up next. They have a pretty long
Good
docket
evening.
here.
I'm Judge Shade, and you, sir, are
Hey, Bree, thank you for that.
Benson, Doricarian.
Sorry.
Let me see. I thought you were building this thing. What happened? What happened, tough guy?
Tough guy. I can't.
You can't.
And it said it's hard.
You need your papa's help to build this.
Yeah, and I think she wanted to make it all by myself.
You can make it by yourself.
Mr. Doricarian.
Yes.
Citation here charging
Here
you
you
with
go.
domestic violence, failing to comply with court order.
Another one? Where's this fool at? I don't see anybody, Your Honor. Awa. Hey, Jeffrey, thank you for the follow. Her hair is lovely.
Citation reads that there's an order of protection that was
does anybody
issued
see
and
this
served on May 15th of last year.
Where's this fool at? I don't
Correct.
see him.
He's close on the TV.
I don't see him.
And the allegation is that you are in violation of that order.
Where the hell are you? Where's this guy?
Correct, Your Honor.
Does anybody see him on the screen? Oh, he's down at the bottom right there. They got that fool little right there. Didn't blow up the screen. Let me try to make it a little bit bigger.
If you are released on these matters,
They got
will
that
you
fool, yeah.
A, appear in court back there in Ajo on a date I give you? B,
You said in Ajo.
pardon me?
Did you say in Ajo, like in here?
Yeah,
There, got him.
Oh,
He's right there in the bottom.
that's
that
where your
little
court's
square.
going to be on this matter. It'll be your responsibility to be there.
Your daughter makes you laugh very. Yeah, she's funny, man. She
Also have absolutely no contact with Lavinia. Do you understand that?
I do.
Aho. Hey, how was? Oh, it was good. It was good, Hector. Her party was, man. She had a jumper. She got all kinds of like gifts and whatnot. So she's definitely fortunate.
And you will show up there in Ajo?
Correct, Your Honor.
Cuvo, what up, Big Mike 310 from the West Side?
I'm going to give you a chance. You need to be in the Ajo Justice Court on October the 28th at 9 o'clock in the morning.
Hey,
No
what
contact with the
up?
victim. Don't go to the
Shay.
victim's residence or workplace. No firearms or weapons, no alcohol, illegal drugs, and no acts of domestic violence. Do you understand that?
Domestic
Yes, Your Honor.
violence.
All right, thank you. And you do not leave the state of Arizona.
Yes, Your Honor.
There he goes. Hey, what up, Becca? How's it going? James, don't step on Legos. Oh, that's the worst. That is the worst. I've done that a time or two. Or her little accessories for like her little toys for these. I don't know what they're called. But they have big heads. They have
It's
little
each,
bodies.
Your Honor.
Man, she be having like brushes and like all these little crazy accessories, high heels, but bell bottoms. Brat, is it the brats?
All right, thank you,
LOL
Mr.
dolls,
Dorothy.
LOL dolls, LOL.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah,
I'll be right back with the next one, Your Honor.
All right.
LOL dolls. Yeah, those are the ones.
Your Honor, I don't know if you noticed, but I accidentally hit the raise your hand button. That was a mistake.
Oh, the LOL dolls. Why aren't you on bigger TikTok? I'm on both, Tasmanian. I'm on both accounts right now. The micro Legos hurt the worst. Daniel, hey, what's up? How's it going? Yeah, both streams are running right now. LOL dolls.
Just take a seat in this brown chair right here.
And we got another one tonight. Too bad they didn't blow up the screen. It looks kind of crappy because I had to zoom in. What did this guy do right here? Why is he in segregation? Why is he not around the other inmates, if you will? What do you guys think? Hey, what's up, Nicole? I didn't even see you were in here. Damn, Nicole sneaking in, not even saying anything. Let me see, who do we got? We got Dizzy, we got Mama Bear, we got Carson, we got Nicole, Aaron, we got Russell, we got Simply Kate, we got Kay. Let me see what else. We got Siwa, we got James Express, we got Andrew Painter, we got Destiny, we got Jimmy Toot, we got Chris, we got Kim _ we got Straight Up Wood 2021, we got Maxwell, we got Craig Sniff. Let me see, we got Adele, we got Carl, we got Chris, we got Michelle, we got Robbie, we got Baz, we got Eugene, we got I can't see that. Is it Adele or Adidas? I don't know. I can't even see that far. My apologies. We got Nicole, we got Maria, we got Ella May, we got Young, we got 49ers, we got Hot Dot. We got Steve, we got Smoggy Lantern, we got Samantha, we got Lindsay. Damn, hold on, this thing reset it. Hold on. Damn, there you go. We were trying to read names off over here. We got Lindsay, we got Nicole, we got Tiffany, we got Chuck, we got Lydia. Oh, you forgot One Piece. We got Sarah. Let me see. She sidetracked me right there. Let me see. We got does that say Guy? I can see. We got the bad ass Gina.
Can you lean that this way a little bit? Thank you.
I missed your name. My apologies. I see we got 117 people in the chat. Thank you guys, Heather. Highly appreciate you. I see you on the other stream. Damn, we got about 200 people watching. We got 117 on one stream. We got 84 on the other one, and then on YT we got 10. So we're trying to cover all bases over here. Maribel. Wait, what was for dinner, James? Man, I had pizza from Costco. I had cake from a local bakery. I had a bunch of cookies from Sam's Club. Chocolate chip oatmeal and a wide variety, and then let me see here.
Good evening. I'm Judge Shade, and you, sir, are.
Is this Jacobian Myers? What?
She doesn't hear me. Oh, Dale Stevens.
Oh, you're almost done. Here, hold on. You didn't put this down right here. The number 2. Okay.
He doesn't have no legs. He looks like a boat.
He's a legless.
Mr. Stevens,
dog.
interim complaint charging with violation of registration requirements.
Ooh, registration. Oh,
We'll appoint public defender's office to represent you on these charges, and if either counsel wish to be heard further on conditions.
Costco Picas is the bomb. Yeah, I bought 4 of them.
I can't even understand what she's saying.
Can you bring me an agua, por favor, mama?
I indicated that you've been charged with a registration violation.
This is Arizona.
And I'm asking the attorneys if they wish to be heard on conditions of release.
Okay.
Let me try to zoom in for you guys on. Let me see. Let me try to.
Your Honor, the concern is just the nature of the offense, the risk to the community, especially the fact that the defendant has those priors, as the court sees on his criminal record from different states, as he was at port of entry, and having a history of non-compliance in the past as well.
And Judge, I was going to request for release. I understand there is a similar conviction from 2011, and still, nonetheless, this being the Class 6 felony, and given where Mr. Stevens seems to be residing, I don't see a reason why he cannot continue to reside there subsequent to
he's a PDFer
coming into compliance. FTA scale is only 2 on 6, Judge. So with that, I'm asking the court to consider releasing Mr. Stevens with an order to comply.
So he's been previously convicted of some
Given the history
sniffing type of underwear type
and that he was
sniffing
aware that
underwear
his
type
license
of
was expired.
activities. Maybe
Although it seems like a
sniffing
strange
diapers
expiration
too.
date, but
Something that's
No, ma'am, it's because of the
horrific.
way I live. I isolated myself to the point where I didn't pay attention to time.
you really don't want to talk about. You really don't want to talk about this. So bond is $2,500. Preliminary hearing date's October 21st at 3. If you post the bond, you'll be in a decision of pretrial services, no alcohol or illegal drugs, no contact with any minors. You don't go to any parks, schools, or daycare centers. You need to report to Pima County Sheriff's Department.
He isolated
Identification
himself.
unit. I've given you their address and phone number on the paperwork within 2 business days of your release to comply with identification and registration
Yes, ma'am.
requirements. Substance abuse assessment and treatment is available while you're in custody or under the supervision of pretrial services if you are out of custody. And you do not leave the state of Arizona. Do you understand that?
Yeah, stay in Arizona.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Mr. Stevens.
Preferably.
And Judge, I'm sorry, I don't think there was a citation for the license, the expired license, right, Judge?
Correct.
Oh. And Mr. Stevens, so I would give you an advice sheet if you would hear at Pima County Jail in Tucson, but I can't give you that. So the officer is going to print you the court order, and that'll have the phone number to the public defender's office. So call that number to talk to your attorney, okay?
It does not have that on there.
Oh.
He was stalking little
I don't know,
children
the printer
around
might,
the
but
playground, if
ones
you
that I
will.
fill out doesn't, but okay.
He failed to register. He didn't register.
Your attorney would be in touch with you, okay, Mr. Stevens?
Fine.
Okay.
What did anybody catch his first name? I could probably look him up, because you know there's those registries that they have to register to. Stevenson. First name. Did anybody catch his last name? First name.
Excuse me.
You may.
Stevenson.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Thanks.
Have a good
Dale.
evening, Judge. Thank you. Bye, Maribel.
Thank you.
Dale.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Dale. Let me check here. Arizona. I'll put it up on the screen right now so you guys can see too. What I find here. Just give me one momento here. Let me fix my screen really quick here. Let me see here. Excuse me. I'm making some changes really quick. Hold on. For those of you that want to know what he did. Judge, and let me make a change to the screen really quick here. Okay. Properties. Google search. Here we go. All right, guys. Arrest. Arrested 2022 for solicitation of a minor. Damn, Kyle, you're like super fast. Let me see, offender search. Did they have a picture of that fool? Hold on, let me look this up here. Let me fix this screen. All right, there we go. Let me see. Are you on Megan's Law? I'm on the SO registry for Arizona. Let me see your search by offenders in your area. Let's see. Here we go. Address? No, we don't need address. Let me see. Last name was Stevenson. Stevenson. Did I spell that right? That doesn't look right. Something's off. To prevent. Via on a computer. Stevens. Oh, Stevens. I wrote Stevenson. Thank you for that. Stevens. Okay. Oh, is this him right here? Level 2. He's a level 2 right here. Is that the same guy? It kind of looks like him. I mean, Dale Henry Stevenson. Let's see. He's 58 years old. Damn, I couldn't even spit that out right there. SEX is male. He's 6'3", 195 pounds, white, hazel eyes. Tattoo on left shoulder. He has a moon, and what else does he have? He has a grinning sun. Huh, interesting tattoos here. Let's see. Description. Indecency with a child contact in Texas. And this happened, when did this happen? Is there a date on here? Let me bring this up a little bit here. No, and that's it. That's all there is on there. I work with a scumbag. What? Cha-cha. That's him. Yup, that is him. We got a confirmation. 1 in 2011. Where does it say that here? It doesn't say on here. I don't see. But you know what? I'll probably have better luck if I looked up in Texas, because he was convicted in Texas. Oh, you know what? You guys can't see over here on this screen here. Hold up, guys. My apologies. Let me zoom out for you guys over here on this stream. Let me bring this over here so you guys can see. Here we go. This is the guy right here. Let me see. That's what the council said. Let me see. So yeah, there we go. All right. Well, it's been grand, you guys. We had a good run. Well, how long were we on for today? We're on for like about an hour. Shit, we did about an hour. Do you guys want to do the 11 o'clock p.m., the 11 p.m. court? Should I come back? There's 99 of you guys. We got 24,000 taps. Should we do the 11 p.m.? Should we do the last court of the night? Harley writes yes. Molly writes yes. Smoggy. All right, Tiffany. Sharissa. Dan. All right. I think I'm coming back. See what writes. Absolutely. All right, guys. Then I guess I'm coming back for the Maribel Vasquez writes yes. I like watching these. I'm not gonna lie. Lucy found your page and kept watching ever since. That's right, Harley, man. I like that, man. You guys definitely put a smile on my face when you put like things like that on the chat. Elizabeth writes, yes, I'm off to bed. It's 11:40 for me, Smoggy. Damn, Smoggy. They go get that sleep in. Hey, buenas noches, and thank you for tuning in. And if you guys haven't done so, please do so. Hit that follow button. It's free 99. It doesn't cost you a dime. And who doesn't like free? I like free, for sure. Anyhow, hey, I am Collect Call James. You are watching. You have a collect call from. And like I said around here, life's like a candle. Once you blow it out, it's lights out. And with that, we're out. Rato y buenas noches. I'll be back at 11, all right? I'll try to sneak off. As soon as my wife falls asleep, bam, I'll strike, all right? I'll be back. Hopefully they got a better roster at the 11 o'clock one, because, man, that one for Pima County, it was pretty no bueno. It was no good. All right, guys. I'll see you guys later, all right? Let's see what